Chapter 2 Forest and Wildlife Resources. The main idea of this chapter is जंगल और वाइल्ड लाइफ हमारे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हैं, लेकिन इंसानों की एक्टिविटीज के कारण इनका नुकसान हो रहा है। इसलिए हमें इन्हें कंजर्व यानी बचाना जरूरी है। What is biodiversity? Biodiversity means the variety of different plants, animals, and other living organisms found in an area. For example, a forest may have trees plus plants plus animals plus birds plus reptiles. All of these together form biodiversity. India has rich biodiversity because it has different landforms, climate, soil, temperature, rainfall. Why is biodiversity important? It maintains the balance of nature and provides us with food, medicines, wood, fuel, and many other useful things. Easy definition: biodiversity equals variety of living organisms in an area. Next topic: flora and fauna in India. Flora means the plants and vegetation found in a particular region. Examples: trees, grass, flowers. Herbs, fauna. Fauna means the animals found in a particular region. Examples: tiger, elephant, lion, deer, birds. Remember, flora equals plants, fauna equals animals. Flora and fauna in India. India has a huge variety of flora and fauna because of its different physical and climatic conditions. Some examples are flora, sal, teak, bamboo, neem, sandalwood, etc. Fauna: tiger, lion, elephant, rhinoceros, deer, peacock, etc. Next topic: conservation of forests and wildlife in India. Conservation means protecting and carefully using forests and wildlife so that they survive for the future. Conservation का मतलब है किसी चीज को बचाना और उसकी सही तरीके से देखभाल करना. Why do we need conservation? Because forests and wildlife are being threatened by deforestation, hunting, poaching, industrialization, agriculture, mining development projects. How do we conserve them? India has created national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, biosphere reserves, various wildlife protection programs. The government has also made laws to protect forests and wildlife. Next topic: Project Tiger project. Tiger was launched in 1973. Its main aim was to protect tigers and their natural habitats. Why was Project Tiger needed? Tiger numbers were decreasing because of hunting, poaching, loss of forests, destruction of their habitat. So, special tiger reserves were created to protect them. Remember, Project Tiger launched in 1973, main aim to conserve tiger. Next topic: types of distribution of forests and wildlife resources. In India, forests are divided into three categories. 1. Reserved forests. These forests are given the highest protection. They are very important for the conservation of forests and wildlife. Reserved equals highest protection. 2. Protected forests. These forests are also protected from further depletion. They receive protection, but the rules are generally less strict than for reserved forests. Protected equals protected forests. 3. Unclassed forests. These include forests and wastelands that are not classified as reserved or protected forests. They may belong to government, private individuals, communities. Unclassed equals not in reserved/protected categories. Super easy trick: R to P to U, reserved to protected to unclassed. Next topic: community and conservation community equals local people, यानी उस जगह के रहने वाले लोग. Local communities have played a very important role in protecting forests and wildlife. Many communities depend on forests for food, fuel, fodder, medicines, other forest products. Because of this, they understand the importance of protecting forests. Instead of destroying forests, many communities have developed ways to use forest resources carefully and sustainably. Next topic: Chipko movement. The Chipko movement was a famous movement to protect forests. People hugged trees to prevent them from being cut down. The movement showed that local people can play an important role in protecting forests. Easy way to remember: Chipko equals hug the trees. Next topic: Beej Bachao Andolan. Beej Bachao Andolan means save the seeds movement. It was started to protect traditional seeds and traditional farming practices. The movement encouraged farmers to save traditional seeds, protect biodiversity, use sustainable farming methods, reduce dependence on chemical farming. Easy meaning: Beej equals seeds, Bachao equals save beej bachao, Andolan equals save the seeds movement. Most important for the board, focus especially on flora and fauna. Biodiversity causes of depletion of flora and fauna. Categories of species: reserved, protected and unclassed forests, Project Tiger. Role of local communities, joint forest management. Subscribe for more videos. Subscribe for more videos.